In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube videos via my YouTube videos in FigJam. By the end, you'll be able to drop a playable YouTube video right onto your FigJam board so your team can watch, comment, and reference it without leaving your workspace. Start by opening your browser and heading to YouTube. You don't need anything special here, just make sure the video you plan to use is publicly viewable or unlisted and not age restricted or private, since those often won't embed properly. Use the search bar to find the exact video you want to share. Open it to confirm it's the correct clip. Check the title and thumbnail and scrub a few seconds to verify the content is what you expect. Next, copy the video's URL. The simplest way is to highlight the address in your browser's address bar and copy it. You can also click the share button under the video and copy the link from the pop-up. Both the standard watch link and the share link work fine. If your URL includes extra playlist parameters and you only want the single video, grab the direct video link to keep things clean. Now switch over to your FigJam board. Click where you want the video to appear and paste the link. FigJam will automatically recognize it and unfurl it into an embedded playable card. Give it a moment to load. Once you see the preview, you can press play to watch the video right inside your board. Feel free to drag the corners to resize the embed so it fits your layout, or move it around to align with sticky notes, flows, or other references. When you're working with teammates, it's helpful to make the video easier to view. Hover over the embed and use the full screen control to expand it for clearer playback during a live session. This keeps everyone focused without the distraction of the surrounding canvas. If you prefer a lighter footprint on your board, you can switch the embed to a simple link. Use the card's toolbar to change it to link, which reduces it to a neat, clickable reference. This is great when you want to save space or keep the canvas minimal while still giving quick access to the source. If the link pastes as plain text or doesn't unfurl, double check that you copied the full URL, that the video is available publicly, and that your connection is stable. Repaste once, and you should see the embed appear. That's it. Find the video, copy the URL, paste it into FigJam, and then either go full screen for easy viewing or switch to a link for a cleaner canvas. Simple, fast, and perfect for collaborative reviews.